I will be summarizing 2 chapters from 2 tax books that I have read that have helped me a lot in understanding what needs to be done for taxes. They are Tax Strategies for the Savvy Real Estate Investor, Volume 1 and Volume 2. I still highly recommend that everyone pick up both books. They are not just for real estate investors and are filled with lots of great information. Below will be a link to both books in case you are interested. Chapter 1. Deductions. The main focus on this chapter is about deductions. When you spend money on a business, for example, you can take deductions out and the IRS will refund you a portion of that expense. There are many deductions that can be taken that most people don't even think about. If you drive a vehicle and you are doing this for business reasons, you can deduct the gas money that you drove. If you order food for a potential investor that you are talking to, that can also be tax deducted. Essentially, anything that is related to your business can have a business tax deduction. You can even pay your kids and write that off as a deduction. Just remember to save and keep track of receipts. Chapter 2. Entities. This chapter is about forming entities for your business. One important piece of information that even I didn't really think about is keeping your personal and business income separate. This means separate bank accounts, separate credit cards, separate legal entities, etc. The most common entity for real estate is an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Another important note is that it is better to form an entity in your state that you plan to have your business in. Different states have different fees, so it's always best to talk to a CPA beforehand. If I didn't mention it already, no matter what strategy you are doing or what business plan you want to invest in, always stay on top of your bookkeeping. For example, I created a Google Sheets page that lets me put in any income or expenses that I accumulate or spend.